In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple process, but it's incredibly useful for sharing important information with your team or individuals without creating unnecessary clutter in your chat. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, navigate to the sign in page and enter your credentials. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your main Teams dashboard. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection for a smoother experience. Next, locate the chat that contains the message you want to forward. It could be a text someone else needs to see, or a piece of information that needs to be highlighted for another team or channel. Once you've found the message, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a series of icons appear on the right-hand side. These are your message options, and they're quite handy. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis or more options icon, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can perform on that message. Our focus today is on forwarding. In the menu, find and click Forward. Selecting this will bring up a prompt asking you to choose the recipient for the message. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify exactly where the information needs to go. You can forward it to an individual, a group chat, or even another channel. Type in the name of the person or channel you want to forward the message to. Microsoft Teams does a great job of predicting the names based on your previous interactions, saving you time. Make sure you've selected the correct recipient before proceeding. Once your recipient is set, click the Forward button. The message will be sent immediately, appearing in the recipient's chat as a forwarded message with the original sender's name mentioned for context. This makes it easy for everyone to understand where the information came from and why it's being shared. And that's it. Forwarding a message in Microsoft Teams is straightforward, but knowing how to do it efficiently can really streamline your communications. This feature ensures the right people are kept in the loop without unnecessary repetition. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!